Hi, and welcome to iOS Brain Live. We're going to be taking this now very popular website, which depends mainly on the written word, and catching up with the current zeitgeist, which is videos. And I think it's rightly so that people can get a better experience and probably learn better and faster from watching, immersing themselves in a video where they're hearing about the topics they're interested in, and they're seeing code being built, and they're seeing it run, and they're seeing me actually doing those things in front of a IDE like Xcode. So we'll be talking a lot about mobile software language development, but we'll also be talking about which software language companies to invest in. For example, Apple. And rightly so, because we're going to be talking a lot about Swift, which was invented by Apple, and they have a good proportion of the world's software apps that at least mobile ones, and they're starting to catch up in the desktop too. But we'll be talking about all this soon, and I hope you join me. Thank you.